Hey, what's up? Thanks for checking out this video. So if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, Transform with Kris, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification. If you want to follow me on any other social media, I can be found under Chrissy Wee. Yes. So before we go ahead and jump into this video, feel free to check out some of my other videos. If you like positivity and creativity and just overall being self-sufficient, you are definitely in the right place. At the end of this video, I am going to include a couple of links for some other videos that I've already posted. So let's go ahead and jump into this video and make some magic happen. Okay. So with this braid pattern that I used, it's very straightforward. If you don't know how to braid, or if you don't know how to cornrow, or if you just want more details overall about this braid pattern, I do have a very detailed step-by-step video that will show you exactly what I did to get this look. The name of the video is called How to Cornrow 101. But with the video, it's awesome for anyone who's learning how to braid your own hair or someone else's hair, or if you're just looking to up your braiding game overall so that you can have neat braids. So I'll be sure to leave the link at the end of this video so that you can check out that video as well. This braid pattern is absolutely astonishing. I love it because you have full access to your entire scalp. And that's imperative because when we're rocking protective styles, we want to make sure that we can keep our hair properly moisturized. That's what helps with having healthy hair, and also is what helps promote hair growth. So I love this big braid going down the center of my head because I can just put oil on my fingertips and I can slide my fingers under the braid and I can oil that part of the scalp too. So when I have my sew-in like this, I just go row by row and follow the part, and that's how I know where I can go ahead and put the oil on my scalp. I've reused this hair about 5 or 6 times, and it's supposed to be 100% human hair. So you'll see me skipping some of the braids temporarily because what I'm trying to do is find a weft that's the same length of a cornrow, and I'm doing this because I want to try to cut as little of the track hair as possible. But ultimately, what will happen is that for each cornrow that you see, I will sew in one weft on the bottom of a cornrow, and then on that same cornrow, I will sew another weft on the top. So I am doubling the hair on each cornrow. So at the very beginning and the end of each cornrow, what I do is when I insert the needle in the hair, I immediately tie about 2 or 3 knots. And I do this for every cornrow because I want to make sure that my wefts are secure. Typically, when I wear my hair like this, I'll keep it in for at least maybe like 1 month or maybe 2 months. It just depends on how I'm feeling. But I want to make sure that it's secure, and I want to make sure that my tracks aren't like hanging. I don't want to keep having to like reattach them every couple of weeks or every couple of, days because they're not secure. Also, something that's very helpful for me with the knots is it makes it a lot easier when taking out the tracks because I can feel the knot and I can actually cut the knot instead of cutting my hair. And after every couple of stitches, I'll also go ahead and tie about 2 or 3 more knots just to go ahead and give it that extra reinforcement. This is my leave out. Normally, if I'm not going to wear a ponytail or anything like that, I will normally braid up any hair that's behind my ear going all the way to the back of my hair. Normally, all of that will be braided out. I don't normally leave any leave out. But for this video, because I am going to have a ponytail, that's the reason why I have the hair out in the back. Now, to see how I got my hair to blend in perfectly with the track hair, you may want to check out my silk press video, and that's where you can see what products I applied to my hair prior to straightening it. So I'll be sure to leave that link at the end of this video so that you can check it out as well. But you'll see me flat iron it here.